Alright, after almost 2 years, our final wait is over. Today we are taking stock of the IVECO 4x4 that we have ordered about 2 years ago, and it's finally arrived. And now we are at IVECO to pick up our truck. Alright, let's go. This is the 4175 wheelbase, long wheelbase, 7-ton, 180 horsepower IVECO 4x4 daily. That's the AdBlue. This is all solid metal. It's already cut out, so we do not have to reapply the licensing, because originally as imported it's already cut out. As you can see here, this is all cut out. So the beautiful, right? Yeah. Proof. Just lost 74,000.
We put it on the truck at least. Good, you know.
Yay, we finally got our IVECO daily 4x4, 7-ton, 180 horsepower. This has got 3 differential locks. This is one of the most powerful middle range heavy duty trucks. Finally got it, waited for 2 years. Tomorrow we'll start the fabrication at Flyger Fabricators and Engineering. Neil and Logan are all on standby. And this truck will be delivered to the factory, and we'll start building the sub chassis.